Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kazon 254. We are here, we are back again like we never left. Today, I'm here at Tawkir Auto Accessory Shop na tuko na mwenzangu Imtiaz. And ukikuja Tawkir, utamkuta yeye and the team. And congratulations, Mr. Imtiaz.
Thank you very much.
As you can see, finally, we have a tire center. And mahali popote ambapo your wheels zinashughulikiwa. Unajua gari ni kiatu. And Imtiaz amehakikisha ya kwamba maneno yote ya tire is sorted here at Tawkir Auto Accessory Shop. Mr. Imtiaz, yes. How are you?
I'm doing okay.
Habari ya siku nyingi.
Uko salama?
Salama sana.
Salama kabisa.
Yeah, we can't complain. Tunashukuru Mungu.
As I promised you,
yes.
The last video we made with you.
Yeah.
And we were planning to open a tire center.
Yes.
So this is what we have opened up.
And this is beautiful.
Yeah.
This is actually very beautiful. I love the way you have done your display.
Yeah.
Presentation is on point.
Thank you.
And this is really beautiful.
Thank
so
you
when you come to Tawkir Auto Accessory Shop on the tire center, utakuta rims. You deal with rims?
We deal with rims.
Yes.
14, 15, yes. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yes.
Whatever size you want.
Yes.
So right now we have kept a display what you have seen.
Yes.
But we have got more rims at the store.
Yes.
And also these days there's a trend of going offset. You need a bigger rim.
Yes.
We have also on the process
yes.
of getting them.
Yes.
For like big cars like Ford Rangers, Vigos,
yes.
V8s,
yes.
Prados.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, before tuendelee na Imtiaz atuambie ni nini ambacho ako nayo katika hii duka, I want to let you know that this guy ako na experience, and he's, of course, you see, amekaa kwa industry for a very long time.
Yeah.
So ameuza magari, amedeal na repair ya magari. So when you come to this shop, you don't only get the things you're coming to look for, but you're getting an experienced person to advise you and tell you and help you make decisions when you come to buy a Tawkir Auto Accessory Shop. And that experience is really important.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
And I'm your customer.
Of course.
And when I came here, you advised me. Remember, we were looking for all-terrain tires. Can you explain to them what is the meaning of all-terrain tires?
There are different. There are a couple different type of tires.
Yes.
There's an HT tires. That
yes.
is highway tires.
Yes.
There's MT tires. Those
yes.
are mud terrain tires.
Yes.
And there's AT tires. Those are all-terrain tires. So now we have got all kind of tires.
Yes.
Like if you see this is a normal tire.
Yes.
It's a normal tire for highway.
Yeah.
If you come and see this is an all-terrain tire.
Yes.
These are all-terrain tires.
Yes.
The grips are different.
Yes.
You see the grips of these tires and you see grips for these tires. They are totally different.
Yes.
So these tires, you can go on highway, you can go on mud, anywhere.
They're kind of universal.
They're kind of universal.
Universal.
They are a bit heavy than the normal tires.
Yes. Yes. That is beautiful. So when you come here, you utasaidika ukitaka tire, you'll ask the client exactly what they want, and then you'll advise them accordingly.
Of course, once the client comes in my shop, we have to ask him what kind of tires are in the car first, and we give him an option.
Yes.
Of we have got these ones and this one.
Yeah.
Whatever his budget is, so we can go on his budget to serve him for the tires.
And of course, you're selling different brands of tires.
Yes.
And of course, the client vile anataka.
Yes.
The client vile anataka ndio nyinyi mnamsaidia.
Yes. The way I told you.
Kulingana na budget.
It depends on the budget.
Yes.
There are tires which are cheaper range.
Yes.
There are tires which are on a higher range.
Yes.
So whichever tires he needs.
Yes.
On his requirement.
Yes.
We will serve him.
And of course, this is the display here kwa the warehouse or in the shop, but they have more in their stores. So this is just for display.
Yeah, these are display tires.
Yeah, display, yeah.
And if we don't have in stock, we will try our best to get the client what he needs.
Yes.
Yeah, that is a surety.
So your needs or whatever you want, how are you number one? So they are saying if you're coming here and you don't find whatever you want on the shop or in the stock, they will help you to get it. Even maybe it's ordering them from abroad or even in Nairobi or wherever.
In Nairobi, or maybe a good supplier of us.
Yes.
Because we are dealing with many kind of distributors.
Yes.
So all the distributors having their own product, and we try to bring all the product in one shop.
So when you come to Tawkir, hawauzi hakuna, you know, you go to shops na wanasema hakuna. So here they will make sure you have what you want. And of course you can see it's a fully loaded tire center. Unaona wako na everything to repair your tires. What is this?
This is a tire changing machine.
All right.
This is a tire changing machine. If you come to buy tires from us, we change for you the tires on the machine and fix for you.
Unajua kitambo tulikuwa tunajua maneno ya kubadilisha tire is a messy, tedious business. Maneno ya chuma and everything. Yes. So things have gone digital.
Yeah, this is something very digital.
Yes.
If you see,
yes,
whoever is using it is very friendly.
Yes.
It's not something anatumia nguvu.
Violence.
Ni kidogo tu atatumia nguvu yake na these things in a very few minutes unabadilishiwa tires zako.
Tawkir is fully digital, and when it's fully digital, even your rims are well taken care of.
Yes.
So as we move forward, I love what you have done with the display here, the vintage kind of car there, the picture. So the presentation is really wonderful. And also you have the battery center here where you deal with batteries.
Yeah, we also deal in batteries.
Yes.
We have good 2 brands.
Yes.
Which are the major brands we are dealing with.
Yes.
One is Bosch, and the second one is Autobot.
Yes.
So these 2 brands, we are dealing with them for now. And no claims, no complaint on the batteries.
I have a friend of mine who has told me Autobot is really a wonderful battery.
Yeah.
And you know, people are used to the conventional brands.
Yeah.
But he told me if people can try Autobot, they are really reliable.
They are really amazing.
Yes.
And we are dealing with them for past 2 years.
Yes.
And tunashukuru Mungu, no claims have yet come.
Yes.
There are few claims that they come, you know, maybe there's a problem in a car or something, a charging system, but no major problems on these batteries.
Of course, when you're dealing with mechanical things, there are always issues, but on this, there's nothing like really major complaints.
Yes.
But you see, the reliabilities of these batteries are something that are noticeable. And when you come here also, he will advise you. You know, there are those people who underpower their car, so he will advise you also on how to maintain the battery. Sometimes it's not the issue of a battery, because maybe if you have a car, you have 2 cars, and you only use one for a very longer time, and you don't even take care of the other battery, because you know the longevity of the life of the battery is putting it on. When the battery is always working, then the lifespan of the battery increases. You will advise them on how to maintain their batteries, or you know, like kata kama utumii gari unagurumisha asubuhi.
Sometimes, you know, there are youngsters who put a very big music system in the car. You know?
Yes.
And the battery is the same what it came with the car.
Yeah.
So now that battery cannot serve the whole music system.
Yeah, it keep on.
So once he
failing.
comes to me, he's got a problem. We'll advise him, okay, this is not the size of the battery. You change it to this size, and
do you charge for consultation?
No, we don't charge.
So when you come here, it's double treatment. You get what you want, and also Imtiaz will help you with advice, and also kama hawezi, also he has connection, vast connection of his friends in the industry when you watakusaidia in whatever you want. I love your varieties in rims.
Yes.
These different varieties.
These are small stock which we have brought in, and there's more stock which is on the way coming.
Yes.
So maybe next time you come, you'll find more variety of rims.
Yes.
Being with us.
And something about rims, you should be very, very careful when you're buying rims, because you see the dangers of this is maybe you're over speeding and then you hit a bump and then the rim breaks.
Yeah.
So this is where you need to take care of what you're getting in terms of rims, because your life depends on this when you're driving the car. Of course. And something I love about your rims, you sold me a pair of rims here for a smaller car. And something about it, I've been with it for a year, and I have gone to all terrain. I cannot really all terrain, but different places. Okay. And until now, the rims are okay. So something when you come here to buy rims, you get reliable rims.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Now, I see the other side, we have, what are those? Tire maintenance kind of?
These are all tire maintenance, like if you need to wash your tires, these are the forms of tire washing.
Yes.
This is a polish for the tires.
Yes.
These are also gel for the tires. You know, sometimes you're at a car wash, you want the tires to look new.
Yes.
So these are the polishes which you use them to clean them, the tires, and it shines again.
Sio maneno can you just open and I'll love to see it. This is it. It's Wonder Wheels. I think that's the brand.
Yeah.
And it's gloss tire gel. So for it to shine and to be sparkling clean, you need this. Si maneno ya kusugua na gunia na sabuni and then you're complaining the tire na parara. Kama unajipaka mafuta, also the tire need to be gelled. So it's okay. So we bring it back. Don't worry, guys. You see, we're in the shop and there are clients, and MTS has clients come first, and that is okay. So this is where you do the tire repair and cleaning and everything.
These are like this one is a tubeless repair kit.
Yes.
You also sell these things.
Yes.
If you can keep one in your car.
Yes.
You get a puncture on the way.
Yes.
You can just do it by your own.
For tubeless.
Yeah, this is for tubeless tires.
Yes, yes. This is very good.
Very good. It's something you have to keep in the car. You get a puncture, you can do it by yourself. You buy a small compressor, we sell them.
Yeah.
And you can repair a tire by your own.
And I see you have tire inflators there.
Yeah, tire inflators, yeah.
Yeah, so this is really good. You can have this and also have tire inflators at a very good price. So when you're traveling, you don't have to worry about punctures and everything, so you get yourself sorted. The good thing, you should think about this before ukwame kwa barabara and you get stranded with your family. Yes. So this is really nice. Imtiaz, this is a very good place. I love your presentation.
Thank you.
And can you tell these people, the viewers, where you're located?
We are located in Nakuru.
Yes.
And the road is called Government Road.
Yes.
And the famous place here is Bontana Hotel.
Yeah, Bontana Hotel.
If you come to Bontana Hotel,
yes,
and there's the shops, it's called Bontana Arcade.
Yes.
So you just come there. My contacts will be there.
Yeah.
So you can just call me and we can just tell you where we are.
Yeah, also search him on Google Map. You can just use the Google Map to find him.
We are in Google Maps. We are on Instagram. We are on Facebook, and you can ask anybody. Yeah,
you can just locate them using your phone, and that's the good thing about technology. So I love this shop, and viewers, if you come here and you say you've watched this advert or this content from Kazun 254, he'll be able to give you a discount, because he's our partner in Kazun 254. So also you can find us on Kazun 254 on YouTube, Kazun 254KE on Instagram, and also Kazun 254 on Facebook. So we can keep in touch. And also we just have a sneak peek of the shop, kindly. Yeah. It's okay. So I will allow you to deal with the client as we deal count. So today we wanted to deal with the tire center, and of course if you have watched our other videos, we did a review about Tawkir Auto Accessory Shop on this side of the accessories. Kwa hivyo leo we wanted to measure on the tire center, and this is the shop where if you want car polish, you want car jacks, if you want to do a facelift on your exhaust pipes, if you want to deal with sound system, maybe an upgrade or a repair, anything you want that concerns cars, here on Tawkir Auto Accessory Shop, you are sorted. So thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly get in touch with us if there is any query or any questions, and also interact with us on our comments. And we thank you very much for subscribing. And if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and the like. We really appreciate for your support. Until next time, thank you. you.